Hello friends, I am going to say how to conduct a quiz game in online during your teaching. So first of all, you will be having either Google Meet or Teams, whatever it is, WebEx. So another side, how to first of all, there is quizzes.com. Okay, so this is the spelling. If you type itself, it will come quizzes. So quizzizz.com. So first of all, you enter the website. Then you have to select any topic. See here, you have to click on explore. Even you can create, but there are already so many topics. So explore. Now suppose I want to select addition. So addition, whatever class, how many questions, every detail will be there. So addition, if you want addition or addition and subtraction, so I am selecting for addition. So now you can see n number of quizzes, science topic, social, English, whatever it is there. See, you can see it will be detailed, 20 questions, first to second grade. So if you want to select this quiz, so first of all click that. Now click and go through all the questions, whether, because sometimes it may be wrong, so I have to check all the questions. Once you checked, okay, this is my class is ready for this, then what you have to do, click this triangle, start a live classic. You have to click on only classic. Then it will give so many conditions. See here all, but don't select anything, only have to select show leaderboard, other things all don't select. Shuffle questions and all, if you want, if you are taking higher class, you can give that. If it is lower class, no need all this show memes this and all, no need, don't enable only show leaderboard. Then after that, you have to click on continue. This one before the class you click, or else this link, again it will be this one, it will be closing. So continue. So once you click, you will see here three dots will be there, no code, nothing, so no need. Here copy link. So once you copy link, the link is ready. Now I am going to share in Google Meet link. So when you are having before the class itself, you can copy the link somewhere and keep. Now go to the chat box. So now send the link. So once you send the link, the students will start entering the link and they will type their name. So that time you have to share that screen. So you are going to share the quizzes link. See live dashboard, share. Now when you share, you have to, when all the students join here, it will show 4 members join, 5 members join, all that it will show. Once they join, you have to click on start. Since there is nobody has joined here, it's not showing. Once it is shown, all the students start. Once you can start this game. Now you can see one participant, that is I have only joined in from another device. So like this the students will join, it will show. Once they have joined, you can ready to start. So once this is the screen, you have to show this screen only for the students. So now they will start typing answer. So you can see this. See now the one is correct. So like this they will be keep doing. So incorrect means like this red color will come. So once you want to end the game, suppose if there is no time or the all the students completed means, you can end the game. So once you end the game, it will show first prize, second prize, who has come first, second, third. See here only one participants. Then again when you have to wait, it will show all of the marks, all the students mark it will show. So like this you have to play. Then you can close this screen and whichever screen you wanted to share, you can share. Suppose if it is for higher classes, you can even error analysis also you can do, which question is wrong, so what are the questions given, so who made wrong, that also you can find out. One correct, zero correct, like that you can find out the. So this is the quizzes. So one or two times if you do, it will be very easy for you.